Hello and welcome to a new game. I don't know what this is. It's called Do You Copy? Just gonna leave all the settings at what they originally are at. And there's audio and controls. So I don't know what this game is or is about. I've never heard of it or seen it. I was gonna play Stairs, a different horror game that couldn't get it to work. Ooh, barrels. Ooh. I think this is made on Unreal Engine. Oh, what's this? Jesus, the birds. Oh. Okay. The what? Okay. The Grassland Herald, 14 Tower 4?
Tower 4, this is Tower 2. Hourly radio check, over. Is everybody? Come in, Tower 4. Do you copy? Over. Good to hear, Tower 4. Kicking off for the night. Park's all yours. Over.
I don't want it to be all mine though. Can't you stay here for the night too? Close the door. What am I supposed to do? Okay. What?
Hello? Hello? Is anyone there?
I saw this channel listed on one of the trails out here. I need you to help me. I'm lost and something is chasing me. Please, you have to help me.
No, I don't want to.
I don't know. Something started chasing me, so I started running. You have to help me. I'm going to die out here.
Okay, die then. Go smell off the lights.
Yes. Okay. I see them. I'm gonna come to you. Thank you.
Okay. I don't want him to come to me though.
Look, I don't know what happened back there. I was just camping, you know, a solo hike, just a day or two to myself. This was such a mistake. Got fresh air, a run. Yeah, lots of good that did me. I'm sorry, I'm just rambling at you. Just trying to keep my head busy, you know? I'll let you get back to whatever you do.
Okay. I don't like this already. Ah.
I'm at some kind of break in the road. It says I'm leaving the Carnation Rock Trail. What should I do?
Hit the left
Right.
one?
Left. Got it.
On the map. Oh shit. Carnation Trail. Where are we? Tower 4? We told him to go left. Okay. So he's here. He's gonna go there. Undo all those. One goes here.
Run.
Yeah.
Now.
Dude. Oh, the fuck is that? Oh, it's gone. Oh, what was that? I don't know, but I don't like this. Okay, this is a one-time deal.
What was that? Did you hear that?
Is that him? What am I supposed to do? Okay, I'm jumping in the spawn. I'm jumping into the spawn. I don't like this. Huh? Okay, calm down. Calm down. Okay. The local mine incredible park trail. The crane will see a large moon.
No, no, no! Did you hear that? It's not. It's still chasing. Did you see that?
Okay,
Alright. I think I lost it. But I definitely lost the trail too.
Fuck. Okay, you're fucked.
I think I see a lake and a cave, a mine, something like that.
Okay.
Look, man. You get me out of this. I owe you one. Okay, let's just set it at that.
Okay. He's near somewhere around there. And he's coming down here. Okay. Calming down a little bit. Calming down a little bit. I'm starting to get my bearings. Okay. A Rashid's appearance around Gracewood Park seems to have some close with the management's arrest of Mitchell Leeds. Leeds was a local farmer with the persist around Grandwood Lace Brook for the last 20 years and been linked to the disappearance chance by a survivor of one of his attacks. The camper who claimed to have been pulled off the trail was able to die by hiding in an unused park ranger tower south of Gracewood Lake. He claims that he heard Leeds searching the woods below, at one point even banging on the tower door, taunting him to come out. Leeds' trial will begin next week at an earlier soon. To whom I am concerned, stop putting cardboard cutouts of movie picture monsters in the movies. Regards. What's that sound?
Are you watching the lake?
Fucker better get here fast.
Why did I think hiking would be fun? Is this supposed to be fun? Should this be fun? Man. I guess I used to think so. Yeah. I'm not doing that again, eh? And just thinking about a tent again is giving me the heebie-jeebies. How do you do it, though? I mean, alright, I guess you get paid and all. You're in a cozy cabin all night. I've been stuck out here, but all the same. Does this give you creeps? Just a little bit? Yeah.
Should I make it run?
No. What's that?
Looks like I'm getting onto, Gracewind Lake Pass. How much longer till I'm over here?
Not that far. Turn off. Okay, so he could. Yeah, he should turn off and take the secondary share.
Yeah, sure. What is it? Like bears or something?
I think that's what I want him to do. To be honest, if this wasn't a horror game, this would actually be quite peaceful. With an actual like day and night cycle rolling over that wasn't meant for horror, just meant for nice calm relaxingness with some nice country music. There's zero aspect of horror, just like it was not meant to look like horror too. Like clean tower, clean things everywhere. Oh, that'd be really nice. That's where we want him to go. I think it's us. me almost. This is not that bad. Pretty scary. It's like a horror game should be. Don't notice the Gracewood like pass is off on this whole part because there's due to multiple reports of bears in the. I think I put them on the opposite map. You don't know what the fuck that thing is. Yeah, with all the horror aspects, it's pretty nice. Oh, shit. Wonder. Yeah, without that horror aspect, that was pretty relaxing. Stupid. Yeah, it should be there soon. First play through the game, so I don't know what the fuck's going on.
I don't know where I'm going. It chased me off the trail. I think it knows where I'm trying to go. Please, I can get there before it catches me. I just need to know where I'm going.
There's no options. Cool. There's no options.
Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? Are you there? Man, you can't do this to me. I can hear it right behind me. It sounds like... Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? You're going to die out here. Over.
That's enough for this day. Okay, thank you, George. Bye bye. No, I'm done. I'm pausing. Okay. Just fuck it. Just get it over with. Oh. You mean that's it? Oh, thank God. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh my God, that's just... Oh. Oh. That game freaked me the fuck out. Whew. Okay. Well, okay, now I know that there's no jump scares. You can go through it and do like a whole playthrough without fucking panicking. Alright, actually, I'll look around the tower first. Look to self. Buy more weather PTS. There's one. Oh, I've seen.
Tower 4, this is Tower 2. Hourly radio check. You there? Over.
Okay. 0 radio check.
Good to hear, Tower 4. Kicking off for the night. Park's all yours. Over.
Alright, let's find out what this guy is. Okay. He said he was somewhere around here. So if we're gonna face the direction he is, the right is this way. Okay, so remember that right. The right is that way. So don't make him go right, make him go left. We'll mark this left.
Hello? Hello? Is anyone there?
Listen to that.
I saw this channel listed on one of the trails out here. I need you to help me. Something... I'm lost and something is chasing me. Please, you have to help me. I don't know. Something started chasing me, so I started running. You have to help me. I'm going to die.
I mean,
out
that's
here.
basic logic. It's flight or flight. You're not gonna start fighting something if it's gonna start chasing you. Okay.
Yes. Okay. I see them. I'm gonna come to you. Thank you.
Okay, I think this is where the eyes come in. Whatever those were.
Look, I don't know what happened back there. I was just camping, you know, a solo hike, just a day or two to myself. This was such a mistake. Got fresh air, a run. Yeah, lots of good that did me. I'm sorry, I'm just rambling at you. Just trying to keep my head busy, you know?
Mountains are pretty.
I'll let you get back to whatever you do.
Well, if anything, this is more of a pointless job. I don't see why a park ranger would be stuck out here in the middle of the night. Especially me, I'm a horrible park ranger. Yeah?
I'm at some kind of break in the road. It says I'm leaving the Carnation Rock Trail.
Okay.
What should I do?
You want to stay and go left. Take the left. If we remember, yeah, take the left.
Alright. Left. Got it.
Now, if anything, he'll be here or here. Depend on what happens. If he does the panic thing again, he'll be up at the mine. Then we want to lead him to go down through the Cold Tower. Maybe lead him through the Cold Town Trail, or just to the lake. Yeah, let's check. No.
Run.
No, fuck you. Okay, until further notice, the Gracewood Lake Pass is off limits to all park visitors due to the multiple reports of bears in the vicinity. Please don't know the path to make you fat. Music's nice.
What was
I see his flashlight.
No, no, no! Did you hear that? Then he's not. It is still chasing. Did you see that?
You know, scary, man.
Alright. I think I lost it. But I definitely lost the trail too.
It says definitely though, but on the subtitles it says totally.
I think I see a lake and a cave, a mine, something like that.
What actually wouldn't mind going to this place where the mining tunnels, although the only downside would be the horror thing. Yeah, let's go. Let's put up to the lake again because that'll put us closer. Because I don't want him to be chased.
Get me
all
out of
over
this.
here.
I owe you one. Okay, let's set it at that.
What if I'm the murderer? Oh, I'm the murderer! Oh no, Nanny! Fucking stupid. Not that fun on the second playthrough. Less scary, because you already know what to fucking expect. Only problem is how to lead him here. I go over that. Okay. And there's, is it just an actual long pause? It made in Blender too. I mean, I've started working in Blender. You could tell just how good some people can make their shit in Blender. Feels like I got stuck or something. Oh no, I'm a bird! Oh no!
Are you watching the lake?
No, because I don't have to. But I will. Oh. Oh crap, the eyes actually go down to the lake. I can do screamies too. Ah! Fight me! I'm stronger! I got a tower. What do you got? A wood? A tree? Scotch tape? 40 tons of iron?
Why did I think hiking would be fun?
Cause it is.
Supposed to be fun? Should this be fun?
Maybe, I don't know.
Man. I guess I used to think so. Yeah. Not doing that again, I think.
Well, I mean, if you don't like here, you should be fine.
Thinking about it again, it's giving me the heebie-jeebies.
Haha.
How do you do it, though? I mean, alright. I guess you get paid and all.
Yeah, I totally do.
Cozy cabin all night. Being stuck out here, but... yeah.
This is probably not really.
Should I make it run?
No. Pick a new option. The light sway is pretty strange due to the tower's not striking. We want to take him the secondary path to Paradise Trail.
Looks like I'm getting onto, Gracewind Lake Pass. How much longer till I'm over here? Yeah, sure. What is it, like, bears or something?
Yes. There's bears. Don't worry. They'll kill you. Don't worry, they'll kill you. It's only natural for bears. Fuck, he's gonna die, isn't he? Nice game, though. Nicely made. Texture's pretty nice. Kind of panicked on the first one and ended it, and didn't know the ending was there. So that's why I'm doing the second playthrough. What is that? I need more stuff in the game. Ooh, shadows. Shove that into the wall. Should be fine. Oh yeah, forgot. Me being stupid. I'm getting hungry. Too bad we don't got any snacks up in this tower. The ground's kind of nice, I guess. I mean, seems like good.
I don't know where I'm going. It chased me off the trail. I think it knows where I'm trying to go. Please, I can get there before it catches me. I just need to know where I'm going.
Ha! No, I'm gonna let you die. Have fun. Have fun, George Clooney. Oh, you're just gonna call you George Clooney now? I don't even know what your voice sounds like. Someone list a famous person. Will Ferrell, that's close enough. Will Ferrell? No, Adam Sandler. Will Ferrell and Adam Sandler.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello? Is anyone there? Are you there? Man, you can't do this to me.
I can and I am.
Right behind me. It sounds like...
Sounds like what, hentai? Oh, it sounds like that. Oh, okay.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
Is anyone there?
Yes.
You're going to die out here.
No, you are.
Over.
Over my dead body. Prick. Haha. How do you like that? Okay, now we can read some. Sasquatch sightings, UFOs, Scout Man. Who was Mitchell Lead? Stairs. Why stairs? Teddy was once again struck in Gracewind. Teddy once struck again in Gracewind when another visitor goes missing. The rest of services had issued an official statement claiming that the individual in question was a victim of a bear attack and some personal effects were clearly to park. Park Ranger on duty claimed that there was more to the story. In an exclusive view, they claimed there was some kind of monster imitating the lost man's voice over the radio. And while there are many sounds unbelievable to sound out there were at Midnight Star, there's no stranger or bizarre theories come out of Gracewind Park. Missing 8 missing so far. How many more this year? 17 missing, 1 trail. 20 missing in 1 summer. This park has a bad reputation. Oh well. Oh. I don't think there's any other endings besides one ending in this game. Oh well. I mean, I like how like the title comes at the end. I mean, well, I was gonna say you could just call the game Watchtower, but I think there's already a game called that. Or is it Watchfire? I don't know, it has something to do with fire. Within the logo or some shit. I don't know. Fuck. No, I do not copy. I'm not copying your own assignment. You wrote it, I get to write my own. I'll write my own words. Alright, that's good. That's Ignite. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Bye bye.